Lexus IS wheel spacers increase the clearance by mounting between the hub assembly and the wheels, which will move outward due to the fixed position of the hub assembly. Wheel flush with or protruding from the fender will give a more visually striking stance and appearance. For the solution to the appearance can be to replace a set of aftermarket wheels with a smaller offset, or to install Lexus IS wheel spacers to move the wheels outward. However, aftermarket wheels are more expensive than the wheel spacers, and they might not fit perfectly. So, Lexus IS wheel spacers became the more popular option. Upgrading performance with wheel spacers is safe for daily driving. If you install them correctly, quality spacers won't cause any problems.
The lightweight plus of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively.
If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!